Some sort of Git application is needed for installing many other applications. Here we consider installing Git for Windows. Open Git download page and download the latest Git version to your computer. Install Git like any other Windows program using all the default settings with one exception, which will be indicated during the installation. Make sure this option is selected. To check the installation, open a command prompt window and execute command git dash dash version in it. The system should display the Git version installed as shown next. Now you have Git installed on your computer and can use it for tasks where it's needed. Enjoy it.